regular eye of representing the thing called SWAT team. It don't know, even one doctor love. It don't know it's a pretty girl child. It don't know fret them. You understand? Boom! Even one chance, you only need one. Giving that opportunity. You will see with big plans. So right now we need money in a bank book and so they can on foot and roll and fly pump and scooty. Boom! Acting of yourself.
One like them bad and them not bad. Of course see them. But I thought you said I was the slimmest person, Simone Slimmers what? So how did I become Shireen all of a sudden? This person Shireen she's talking about, where'd that come from? The fucking woman delusional, bro. Yo, she is so fucking dunce. She don't know who I am and she a try pick out. Wanna no notice? The bitch a try blood clot draw me out. You guys don't see what the woman's doing, eh? She's doing a lot of shit backdoor that you guys don't know. She's in people inbox, coming in fake page, doing all kind of shit, yo. Why you guys think I always put up my story saying what the fuck she's doing? Because these are the shits that she's doing. She reported my videos. She's doing all these things so that our pages could get taken down. But bitch, it ain't gonna get taken down. Because we ain't violating any rules and laws, dog shit. You fucking idiot, gal. Don't call me blood clot name. Don't say Storm Boasie's name out of your fucking long bumbleclaw mouth. Yeah? Yeah. That's so true, Suki. And you know what's so funny? Everybody's doing their own thing except her. She's the one that's miserable, tormented. She and Post, the two of them, tormented to blood clot. One like say them not have nothing else better to do except call people name. We no see you. We no see none of no Joncrow. We don't see you no. So don't call my blood clot name. Don't call me name. Then you're gonna say, oh, when they're talking about my dad, and then they talk about my kid. Nobody ain't talking about your kids or your dad, bitch. Nobody don't give a fuck about you. But you love to fucking talk shit on your live. You block out all of us so none of us could comment because you want people to come live for you. Well, this is gonna be the last one you get, yeah, bitch? And I'm warning you. Because I know where you live. I know exactly where you fucking live. I put up the fucking address. And you are saying this and that. Oh, when you put up the real address. Bitch, that's the real address. Bitch. Okay? The real one that. And that's the place where you work. You see what I'm saying? Don't fucking draw my tongue. Yeah, try drop people out. But then when people come out, run out blazing now. With them guns out, guess what? You don't like it. You don't fucking like it. At the end of the day, you did run off your blood clam up on your fucking live. And don't expect people to come live for you? You don't expect people to do a live for you? You think we're just gonna sit there like Papi Show, like idiot, and just take it? The fuck out of here. You and your ugly mongrels. I don't give a fuck. Because at the end of the day, you're there on your page talking about, oh, her 2 daughters and this and how much child tax she's getting. Why the fuck y'all watch my pocket? If the government want give me a blood clot, take it. Is it bothering you that your kids are over 10 and you're not getting the under children who are under 6 money? But oh, if I had the money that Storm Boasie got, I would get a nanny. Fuck out of here, bitch. You mad. You fucking big mad. You could stay big mad. Okay? By, oh, they bad mind me for my kids' park. Move your blood cry. Anybody want them the fucking old broke? You fucking, and the thing costs $100 blood clot dollar. $100 is like $1 to me. That's nothing. But you pick up 1 or 2 stuff at the grocery store, that done. Fuck your chatbot. But, oh, I was gonna get the bigger one. You couldn't get the bigger one because your backyard small, bitch. Your man say the trampoline take up the whole of the blood clot backyard. You deaf? You fucking left. So blood clot broke girl. I go look pan good blood clot me. And I say, I'm this person, I'm that person, I'm Trinidadian, I'm Guyanese. Make up your mind, bitch. I'm fucking Jamaican, okay? I'm Jamaican. Whether you like it, yes or blood clot, no, me not give a fuck. At the end of the day, everybody knows that. You understand? You need to move your... You need to tell them, say, Indian, your baby father was dead. He is Guyanese, bitch. So your son is half so-called Guyanese. Right? Yeah, look down upon other blood clot Caribbean country. Move your blood clot. And you speak more Jamaican than me. Your patois raw more than mine. And you talk about, I'm Canadian. Move your dirty stinking bumblehole. You fucking favorite dog shit. Both. I'm a Canadian. Canadian. Show me your blood clot birth certificate, bitch. Show a birth certificate. Yeah? Then we'll be talking. Then we'll understand and we'll believe. You come here, it sounds like you just come off of the rascal boat. Move your blood clot, you fucking favor. The first place your father come is over in a Jane and Finch. That's the first place where they live, in Jane and Finch. And guess what? It's housing. Your father still live there. Him still live there. But you have money. But my money tall. Your money tall which part, bitch? Your money's tall where? Then you're gonna be saying that you won the lottery. Oh, we just hear about this now. Move your blood clot. Stop make up a beer fucking shit you thought. Beer fantasy story. Beer blood clot la la land. Like, wake up, bitch, and come back to reality. You fucking dopey. Oh, skirmish. What's up, Sherbred? Lady C Wagwan. Yeah, the fucking girl get yo. You know, here the girl says she's not she didn't go to school to be a registered nurse. She is she went to school for 2 years and then blood clot drop out. Bitch, you never go to college. Your sister said on your YouTube channel and me I go post it up when my blood clot done. Cause me and a Liad. Your sister hate you. You know, ear cake up play the blood clot voice message. You deaf? Or you just can't hear? You're fucking deaf? Your sister you don't get along with? Yes, your sister don't like you. She wrote up on your fucking YouTube page. Her name is Onisha, bitch. It said big Onisha Saunders. What the fuck you talk about? We screenshot that quick and fast. Cause you know our eyes then good. Out and gunning. You fucking bitch. Your sister don't like you. Your sister is the one that said that you collect the OSAP money and never went back to school, bitch. And you just confirm it. You just come confirm it. You drop out cause you did pregnant with your twin. You fucker you. See how people said trap for you and I drop right in it? Tibongo. Dirty blood clot bongo. Love tell people about themselves and you expect nobody to bring you down. Move your, you can't tell, you don't know nothing about me, bitch. You don't know nothing about me. I said me a Shireen. Then you say me a what's the person's name? Simone Slimmers Watts. Then you're saying I'm this person, I'm that. Like, fuck out of here, bitch. You don't know me. You will not know me. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. You don't know me. And at the end of the day, you give me 5 pickney, 6 pickney. Like, get the fuck out of here. You don't know what the fuck I have. You don't know what I have. I know. I know what I have. I show what I have. Love tell people about themselves and you expect nobody to bring you down. Move your, you can't tell, you don't know nothing about me, bitch. You don't know nothing about me. I said me a Shireen. Then you say me a what's the person's name? Simone Slimmers Watts. Then you're saying I'm this person, I'm that. Like, fuck out of here, bitch. You don't know me. You will not know me. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. You don't know me. And at the end of the day, y'all give me 5 pickney, 6 pickney. Like, get the fuck out of here. You don't know what the fuck I have. You don't know what I have. I know. I know what I have. I show what I have. And then you don't like it. It's not my fault. And bitch, I don't work in a fucking nail salon. Get that out your fucking head, or a hair salon. You know, I do nails myself at home. Okay? So whether I want to work and make a money or what does that have to do with you? The fuck does that have to do with you? If I'm here doing my nails at home, what does that have to do with you? I noticed that everybody, whether you have a job, she bring down everybody that have a job. She bring down anybody that don't have a job. You can never please this ugly animal. This ugly fucking animal. You can never please the Joncrow. Nobody don't like her. Nobody don't like her. But oh, a little birdie came and told me this. Oh, somebody pinched me and tell me that nobody didn't pinch you. You're on the internet lurking, bitch. You're on the internet lurking. But oh, I'm going to work, you all. Going to work? The internet is your job, bitch. That's your job. Okay? You fucking Joncrow. Yeah, call people name. No call me blood clot name for your life, bitch. Cause you don't know nothing about me. The same place that I put up, you're just mad. You fucking big mad that I know everything about you. I have links in Finch, bitch. And it don't matter who is in Finch. Yes, Jello is the big man in Finch. Awa. You know Jello. You know other people around Jello. So why does it have to be... What did she say the girl's name was, you guys? I don't know if you guys were on our live just now watching. She said some girl... Tanya. Me no know nobody by that name. Hello. I don't know nobody by Tanya. None of those things. I know the older females that are in Finch that know she and her family them. Her sister Yankee. You think so I wouldn't know? Ape? You think I wouldn't find out these things? When you have links to certain people, you gotta find out anything you want, blood clot. No. Yeah? Go on like say your money tall and your money can't do this and I never seen you give back yet. I never seen you donate yet. I never seen you give a plate of food to a homeless person yet. But you have big money. Eh? You're not doing the kind of charity work that Suki's doing, that anybody's doing, but you talk about this and that. Move your blood clot. Fucking Joncrow. Yeah, you talk about your big money. My money tall. Money tall which part, bitch? If your money did tall, you would never look like that. You wouldn't look the way you do. You look broke and paparazzi. You look like you have dry shit in your bumper hole. Eh? Talk truth. Like, fuck, you have that same hairstyle from high school days. What up, bitch? What the fuck up? Paper and do this and cover up that. Yes, we seen it, bitch. It must have ringworm on the dirty tree. Don't fucking kill me. This so custom. I don't know. We can't see the swimming pool. I don't know. She fucking lie. That fish tank. Let me just to show you how old that fish tank is, right? Because you know nowadays when you buy a fish tank, you buy the tank itself, and then you buy the stand for it to put on top, right? You put the fish tank on top of that stand. The one that she has is it's built in. It's one, like all of it is in one. When do you guys remember fish tanks being like that? Way back in the days, like from the 90s. Like, are you kidding me? And if she was Canadian, right? You see the way I speak and the way that Candy speaks? How come she can't speak perfect English? She can't speak perfect English. Do you guys notice that? The way she talks is like broken English. Just like she just speaks patois, but break it up in a little bit of English and more patois. Yep. She's Jamaican. She is not Canadian. Don't make the bitch fool to know. She is not fucking Canadian. She a blood clot Jamaican, yeah? That's why she talks down to Jamaicans, because she came here from when she was young, like 9, 10 years old, and every time she brings that up with Candy, I get so, like, it just grieved me, because we were the ones to say that she came to Canada when she was 9 or 10 years old in Driftwood. You see what I'm saying? Her father and her stepmama. I don't know why she keeps saying, "Oh, my mom and dad's here." No, they're not, bitch. Your mama, they in the Bahamas with your half sister. Move your blood clot. Stop fucking lying. Joncrow. If you want the world to know, we'll fling out your blood clot business, and that's why you don't like me. That's the reason why you don't like me, is because me I talk the things them and you don't like it. And your fantasy living in it, it's blowing up in front of you. Because I speak the facts. And I could show proof. That's something that you can't. Hold on there. She said me go punching page and said that I was Trinidadian. Bitch, show the proof. I never said that. Why would I say I'm Trinidadian? I'm not. I'm Jamaican. Why would I say I'm Trinidadian? Damn Joncrow. Girl lie? I said the girl lie, she lie, she lie. Can't bother. I'm gonna play it. Hold on. I'm gonna play some of her live. I'm gonna play some of her live. Hold on there. I'm gonna play it, make you guys hear it. What she a blood clot chat and I say. Listen to this. She thinks that the police are not doing nothing. They're investigating her, dumbass. You're known to the fucking Halton police, bitch. You're known. That's what they said. You are known. No, you don't. Stop lying. Fucking lying rat. She lie? Suki says she a Chinese. Don't fucking kill me. Oh, shit. That's his number? Don't fucking kill me. Hold on. We used to see you driving the gold brown truck and you have a black Honda. It's not black. Shorebird, it's not black, you know. It's not black. It's blue. It's dark blue. It's a dark blue Honda. You know, see me post up the picture of them in front of our house. You know, see the picture of them with the brown van park up. There's no Porsche there. Where is the Porsche, bitch? The Porsche no there. So I live my life on earth and I live it by the means. Almighty God always give me a rain or show. Okay? Always. Don't worry, me have some more things for drop out. Then she'll talk all kind of fuckery. Yeah, it's like a blue black. It's not my fault. It is your fault, bitch. You chat too much. Can you guys hear it? Type and tell me if you guys can hear her. Dirty blood clot life. The government showed out so much blood clot handouts. So much handouts the government in America gets a shell out the other day, and a lot of people never get none because they never have the papers. She always, you guys hear, let me pause this. You guys hear how she always, everybody is illegal to her. Everybody is illegal. Nobody don't have them steal. Nobody don't have them papers. Nobody don't have a job. Nobody don't have nothing. Little does she know the job that I do. If she knew the job that I do, she would shut the fuck up. She would shut up. Trust you me. I mean, I have a good fucking job. A good and great job. Yep. I have a good fucking job. This dirty bungle I talk about. Oh, you're not working. So you must be getting, what did she say? You must be getting money or whatever from the government and unemployment, all kinds of shit. Like, what the fuck are you talking about, bitch? You don't know nothing about me. Nothing you don't know about me. Just because you see me putting up one or two nails, you're making it seem as if you seen me somewhere in a nail shop working. You see what I'm saying, people? The fucking bitch act like she seen me in the fucking place working and doing other people's nails while a pandemic's going on. Like, are you serious? I already told you, bitch. I do my own nails and I do my own fucking hair. I don't have to go to anybody's salon to go and get that shit done. And I don't do outside people's nails. Only people who are my family and friends. So get that in your pipe and smoke it, bitch. Stop calling people's fucking name. Your dirty germs. Go down, dirty boy, go. Right? She's a fucking dirty germs, yo. The woman, yo, let me tell you something. You see, one thing I could tell you guys about this bitch is that she always likes, like, say everybody has, like, a certain job, right? Like, say if you work as say if I'm a nurse. If I'm a nurse, she'll come on and say, oh, I'm a surgeon. Like, you always have to be above people. Always. You always have to put yourself way above people. Move your dirty blood clot. You stink like shit. But, oh, you probably don't have a job. You don't know nothing about me. You don't know nothing. My man have a job and me have a job. Move yourself. You don't know nothing. If she lie, if she fucking lie, me say the woman lie, she lie. She's worse than post in my eyes, yo. She's the worst online. She's the liardest woman me ever see in all my life. She are the ugliest, the liardest. She is the ugliest woman me ever see in my whole existence of being on this earth. Ugly as fuck. Ugly. That's why Indian fuck her and duck her and leave her. And still stayed with his family, with his baby mama. She knows the baby mama that he stayed with and didn't choose her. Left her out there with her and her 2 kids to go move to Walker's Line. 2039 Walker's Line is housing. She moved there after Finch. When she moved from Finch, she moved there and then moved in the place that she lives in now, which is right around the corner. It's 2 minutes away from Walker's Line. 2 minutes. Right? 2 fucking minutes away. So when she's sitting there saying, oh, suck pussy this and suck pussy that, move your blood clot. You love tell people if you go suck their mama, but you don't have a mama. You go look for yours and suck the deepest blood clot part of your mama with a straw. Dirty girl. And that if you do. You call people name and talk and make it seem as if you're better off than them. You're not better off than nobody. You're not better off than nobody. You need to stop talking about people, and then people will stop talking about you. Simple. If you go one side, go hitch up one blood clot side, do your little blood clot dog food where you always do, and just leave people business of blood. Hey, me I gonna play a song for you. Hold on there. 1 second, people. Yeah. This dog shit. Love trouble people and then come ball victim. And they're troubling me, guys. And they're this and they're that. You guys are so vile. Shut the fuck up. When you are trouble people in a them blood clot inbox, I chat up all kind of blood clot shit. And when I put up those messages, that's because that's facts. To show people how you coming on my blood clot inbox. Me never come in your inbox come trouble you lady. Never coming on your blood clot inbox bothering you. But no, you can't help yourself because you see, nobody's not watching her. Nobody over there. Nobody's not on her page. Nobody is not over there watching the dirty girl page. So she feels that, okay, well, if I call people's name, then, you know, she'll get a certain traction over on her page. Don't you guys notice she called everybody she was in war with name the other day? She called every Boomer blood clap body name the other day. You know why? She is trying to use her head to show, oh, all these people on the internet are bullying me. All of them are bothering me. They're ganging up on one little me. They're all in a clique and they're all in a gang. So that when she does, because I heard, we heard from her that she's going to court. We heard from her that she's going to court, right? And that this paralegal and stuff like that, she's the one that came out and said that to everybody. She's the one that came out and said that to everybody, that she is going to court. That they send her this paralegal, this dirty paralegal, this and that. She is the one that did it, right, guys? Because you guys heard it on her page. She's the one that been saying that. So when she's coming out and saying now, like she's the victim, oh, they're bothering me and they're this and that. Worry about the court case that girl Shireen is bringing you. Yeah, you have a court case. That girl Shireen is bringing her ass to court. Tell the people them the fucking truth. She's bringing her ass to court for harassment and whatever. You see what I'm saying? And you're using this as a fucking excuse. But it ain't gonna fly. You have to show proof, bitch. You have to show proof. You can't go with word of blood clot mouth to court. Tell the people them the truth. Tell them the truth, yo. Like, I don't get it. At the end of the day, you're saying, oh, this person is that person. This person is that. How can I be that person? And I've always been online as Storm Boasie or Pretty Girl Storm. Everybody knows me as Pretty Girl Storm for a long time. You're so fucking dumb. The woman that try draw me out here, people, to come talk by myself, but that not work. We not dunce. We not fool. We are not idiot. Hold on. Listen to this, people. 1 second. 1 minute. Fuck. Hold on. And after me, I gotta play the voice note them in my blood clot in my inbox, so you guys could hear the stuff that she's saying. If I could find them, hold on. Hold on there. Listen. Yeah, leave people blood clot business alone. And you know from how long she's been watching SWAT Team? Just to show you guys, she's been watching us from Amari days. That's how come she knows everything about what happened from that then till right now. And the only reason that she don't like us is because we not back down from people. We not frightened. We not run and hide. You see what I'm saying? With blood clot out there, bust beer blood clot shot. Anybody call with him, we dead there. We dead there. We take them, we rub out them blood clot. Scrub, rub out them mama blood clot, yeah? Yep. Thanks, Suki. Yeah. Them fucking this woman, I'm telling you, she's tormented in her brain. You know that, right? Didn't you guys hear when she said, "Oh, I have a little I'm a little kid. I have this little kid in me." She has a little kid in me because she breed early and she never got to do teenage things. She never got to go out to the movies with friends. She never got to go do anything with friends, sleepovers, none of those things she ever got to do. A picnic she had to take care of. Yeah. That's why when she look at us that go dance, that go have fun, we go out with our man, we go do things with our girls, stuff like that, she don't have no friend. She can never keep no friend. And that is from Jane and Finch days. People tell me that from Finch. She could never ever keep a friend because it's either she start talk to the people them man, or she start chat to people in business, and the people them beat out her blood clot. The girl them beat out her ass every minute she's in a mix up. Every minute she's in a mix up, and they used to call her like Jana Finch beating stick. The way how she used to get beat up regular because of her mouth. She can't hold water. Her mouth drain like pipe. You see what I'm saying? And she used to be a fucky ducky. She was a fuckies. We used to fuck enough niggas out there. Yeah. Big Mac fuck her and duck her and run away. Then she gave the picnic them to the first one, she gave it to Indian. The second one, because remember, Indian used to just come to Finch, you know. He used to just come to Finch. He never lived in Finch. He used to just come to Finch. And he lives all the way in Maple. You know how far Maple is? In the bushes, people. Far from blood clot Jane and Finch. So coming to see her and make it even worse, Indian had his woman. Nope, he's not going to come out and say, oh, this is my girl, this is my woman. What? She ugly as fuck. Nobody not claim her. None of the man them used to claim her. Big Mac. And Big Mac is a drug dealer. The way she's talking, she's never been amongst drug dealers and never got any kind of crutch or clothes. Yes, you did, bitch. You used to. But because you moved up to the suburbs, you feel like, say, you're highty-tighty and you're up there and nobody, you know what I mean? You look down on everybody. You look down on all Caribbean people, all Jamaicans. But you're Jamaican. You have a Jamaican man. The man in your house is Jamaican, bitch. Your dad's Jamaican. So what are you talking about? You don't like dirty Jamaicans. Your bloodline is dirty Jamaicans. What are you talking about? The fuck you talking about? You fucking stink. Yeah, I'm stomach strong. May I tell you? And I know Big Mac personally. I know Big Mac from Eddystone. Right? I know him from Eddystone. From the Finch area, yeah. And the second son that she has, the thick neck one that don't live at home, him, he is basically Big Mac's son. That's Big Mac's son, and he ran away. Big Mac wasn't claiming that shit. Big Mac said, who, me? Hell fucking no. And run away. And then she gave it to Indian. Because Indian would probably feel sorry for her. Or she probably threatened him and said, if you don't take care of my kids, I'm going to lock you up because you're fucking me when I was 14, yeah? Then she, you know, yo, you guys don't listen to this bitch, yeah? She's lying to y'all. Those kids are not her son. Her big son is 23 years old, I think. I think I read that somewhere. I seen it somewhere. Yeah. Her big son is 23 and the little one is 21. So when she's saying 19 and 20 and all this shit, she's lying. Because she just wanted to fit in perfect, like say she never had those kids young. You see what I'm saying? She wants to make it look as if she was 19, like 18, 19 when she had her kids. No, bitch. You were not. Stop telling people them fuckery in their ears. Stop it. She too blood clot lie. She need to stop lying and talk truth. And I know she don't talk about blood clot Indian. And the man used to rev out her blood clot hole. Don't you guys see she has no God in her? She or puss? The only time they have God in them is when something bad happen. You guys don't notice that? Yeah. That's the only time blood clot them talk about God is when bad things are happening to them. I never ever hear that bitch. It's only because I've been saying it recently and I said it on my story and stuff that you never hear this bitch talk about God. It's just today you hear her talk about God. Bitch, bye. Nobody ain't buying your story. Yep. We don't believe you. You need more people, bitch. Fuck out of here. But big pussy stand bossy. How the fuck you know how my underneath look, bitch? Me skinny out girl? Eh? Me and a lesbian, so how the fuck you see my front? Yo, this bitch is just a walking, talking contradiction. I'm telling you. She contradict herself every my blood clot where she go. Everything she talk about, she contradict herself. This germs box. Eh? This whole skirmish. Hold on. I have to play something for you guys. 1 second there. And you see all the style of like playing music and shit like that in our intro and all that? She knows she wants to do that, but she can't because that's not how she came out. She never came out playing fucking intro. None of that. You see what I'm saying? None of that. Hold on. 1 second, people. I am going to... 1 sec. Hold on. I have too much phone here, so... I have too much phones here. I have to disconnect this. Then connect this one, yeah. Yeah. But this bitch, all she does is talk about Stan Boasie. She talk about fucking Fret them. She talk about Tanya. She talk about all the way. Like, bitch, get a fucking life. How about that? Get a fucking life. Go do something. Then you're talking down on Candy whether she has a job, yes or no. At the end of the day, a job is a job, like what you said, right? A job is a job. When we tell the people them say you're PSW, and you came out and said, oh, I never said I was a RN. Okay, so you're not a registered nurse. You're not a nurse. Stop saying you're a nurse. You're a PSW. A personal support worker. Yeah, you're a PSW. Stop saying you're a fucking nurse. You're a PSW. And then you're looking down on people saying, oh, they clean shit and them do this and them do that, but you're doing the same thing. So why are you hiding it? And you and your man do odd jobs, bitch. You guys do odd jobs here and there. Fuck out of here. Act like y'all the fucking shit. You ain't the shit, bitch. And you never been the shit. Think you could come and fucking come on IG and want to tear us down without us taking out your dirty blood clot? You stupid. Are you dumb? Are you dumb or you just fucking dumb? Fucking, yo. I say me want hold the blood clot, girl, you see? And you see how summertime now? It's easy. 1, 2, 3. Easy as fuck. Just wait, man. There's gonna be a day and there's gonna be a time. A video going pop up and you go and see the aftermath here. Mouth bust up, teeth bust up, face kicking out, everything. You guys are gonna see the aftermath and I'll surely post it. Yeah? This bitch. But oh, come to my house. I thought it wasn't your house, bitch. You're portraying to the people them that wasn't your address, but I thought it wasn't your house. So why would you say, oh, Storm Boasie, come on me yard so me can't kick you in your face. Bitch, you ever kick anybody in their face yet? You can't fight. You know, tell the people them say you can't fight. You cannot fight, bitch. Stop saying you're gonna come and kick people in their face and you cannot fight. Let me play my blood clot song and let me play my blood clot intro. Hold on there, people. Hold on. Who remember this? Wait.
Dr. Love, yo, fret them. Pretty girl storm. The vibe just start.
You just gonna vibes it little bit. Hey.
Alright, fret them a juggle bone up.
Big up my sister Fret them. Tanya. Suki. Chin Allen. Woy. Become a junkie fuck. We spark difference so nobody can call with teeth. Whoop. You guys hear the song, people? Mm-hmm. You hear that? Alright, people. Come and drunk you fuck. Alright. Yeah. Put up the fire there. Ooh. Yo, I see my blood clot wind up myself over here. One. How the blood clot I cut? Hey, now call my phone. Sure. Come blood clot spoil the vibes. Let me play a different song. This Afia made herself, yeah? This pussy wall.
Yeah, you know I see a boy black magic in a dance or church, you know.
Think you can come take down SWAT team? Move your blood clot.
Hey, pretty girl star. Anything violate must gone by that.
How you mean?
Gangsta Dan. You know run joke, you know, yo Tanya.
Gangsta Dan, big up yourself. Right them. Tanya. Hear that? Bitch. Me clip them longer than my fucking inch. Boasie medal, take the picture, Boasie Insta. On to one in the air, daddy burner. Try that, we will fly a fucking head, bitch. Make talk. Wait till my blood clot find you, ugly girl. Find them ugly. Hey. Put them for blood clot 3 weeks. When they started. Hey. Me not to ask Christ. One in the air, that the burner. Them the blood clot bad, yeah? Give it all to face as you ask wiper. To survive by the pussy, them a make talk with. Till me find your bumble hole. Brand new. Hold a coffin with a rose. Hold a coffin with a blood clot rose. You hear that, bitch? Oh. I'm gonna take back my talk. Big pussy girl. Go pick up your pussy tongue over Jane and Finch where it left. Yeah? Where it left, bitch. Before you come talk to a girl like me. You're fucking right. Stink no blood clot. We play an intro. The bitch is mad that we have jingles and she ain't got none. Bitch, I don't have to pay for jingles. I'm that bitch. I'm that bitch. Yeah? I'm that female. I know people in the music industry, motherfucker. Yeah? I know people in the music industry. Fuck out of here. I don't have to pay for shit. And even if I do buy it, awa. And my money, awa. You're just mad. You mad. And I never ever, did you guys ever hear me come out and say I know a person named Stacy Mack? I mean, not even know the fucking girl I chat about. I don't even know where the fuck that woman came from. I don't even know those people. I don't know those people. The fucking woman I come out and talk about, oh, Stacy Mack. I don't know those people. Whoever she's talking about or looking up or whatever. I don't know them. Period. First she say I'm one person, then she say I'm in it. Bitch, bye. You don't know nothing about me. Nothing. And that upon you. That upon your dirty blood clot because you don't know nothing about me. You don't know nothing about me. Anyways, guys, I am going to go in a few seconds. But yeah, I just had to come and say that. The bitch is a liar, yo. Don't listen to this bitch, cause she a liar. Big blood clot, dirty liar. We said that from a long time. People just now seeing, hearing certain things that she's saying, and you put two and two together, it don't make no blood clot sense. It no make no blood clot sense. Yeah? The fucking bitch is a liar, yo. She talks a lot of shit. She thinks that the more she's talking is the more it's making people believe. No, bitch. The more you say it to people, you have to show proof. You can't just say word of mouth. People not tell you can't bring that go to court, my love. Sorry, you can't bring that blood clot go to court. That can't last in a court. You have to bring proof. And that's why she don't like us, because we always drop the facts and the fucking proof. And you can't outdo us, bitch. No matter if you try take down my page, take down Candy's page, we're still gonna be us. We still love ourselves. You see what I'm saying? We still love ourselves and we still do what we're doing. We don't let nothing get us down. But you see people like her that like to tear things down, tear people down. At the end of the day, those people are tormented in themselves. They don't like themselves. So what they don't want for themselves, they try to tear others down. You see what I'm saying? They don't like how they're living their life. So at the end of the day, they're going to come out